looks like, huh. You can see it's pretty rusty. Yep. Yep. Wait, it's a tetanus shot waiting to happen. Huh. So we'll get in there, clean that out, and I had treated this with some of that phosphorus stuff. I'll do that, and then I've got some paint. I'll paint it. Then, so I'll do these two spots, phosphor it, paint it, and then come back, clean this. Maybe while I'm waiting for that paint to dry or the phosphorus to dry, clean this back to about here, so that I can just get a weld there when I put my piece down. Get it all cleaned up and be ready to go. We're getting there. So I'll just do these two pieces, and then this one here is gonna have to be done a little different, but we'll figure it out. I might cut some of this out too right here. We'll see. All right. Here's what we're using. A little rust conversion compound. It's some kind of phosphoric. And then this is a paint I'm going to use to put on top of it. It's like a, oh, it's that Por 15, but costs much less. So basically, I put it in this little thing here because I don't want to contaminate the whole batch. And then just put it in there. Put it right in there. Let it get wet. It's gonna dry. Then probably have to cut this out too. So right now I'm gonna get the piece of metal that I got to fit here. We're gonna fit it in there and see what we got and how much we need, and then we'll go get ready to cut another piece, and I'll bring you all along on that adventure. It's gonna be right over there somewhere. So, okay, let's do this. Okay, so here's what I got. I got one of these little 375 extreme plasma cutters. And I found it freehand cutting. I'm not very good at freehand cutting, so I got this thing. And what my plan is to try to hook this in here, get this guy in here. I'm just gonna tighten it down and clamp this thing down and run it right along on it, because you know okay, so this piece here is going to end, the piece I got right here, it's going to end here. I mean, they really don't need to overlap, but I'm just giving it one, trying to get, oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh, the rust. Rust never sleeps. Will it get me through another 20 years with this old truck? Yeah, probably. I mean, it's a good truck. I've had the truck for 10 years now. It's a 1972 International Travelette. It's got a 12-valve Cummins in it. I've had it for 12 years, and I've been meaning to jump on it and do all this stuff. But man, it runs so good, and it works so good. It pulls my trailer. It does everything I ask of it. It's broken down a couple times, but it's all been easy, minor stuff. But finally, the roof leaks, and I've kept it inside this winter. So I got to get the roof, this all fixed so it doesn't leak. Then next winter she can go back outside if it gets done. That's going to be the hat trick. That's going to test my skills or show my lack thereof. All right. Okay. So we're moving along here. Got the first piece in. It's tacked in. It's a start. Got a couple areas there that needs to be ground. It's kind of high there, so I'll just grind that down and refill it with weld or filler or whatever. But we're getting somewhere. My plan is to get this piece ready to grind and then move here and do a little shorty here and then start doing the singles. The singles are going to be the fun part because they're going to be like an inch. There's going to be a lot of welding on this truck. But that's what it's all about, welding on the truck. Okay, here's one welded up. There's going to be some seam sealer in the gap there, so I'm not going to sweat that too much. Down in here. But and then that's going to get skim coated because it's going to need to the body line's not perfect, not straight. It's kind of wobbly, so I'll probably skim that and get that all squared away. But that's basically, in a nutshell, that's what we're doing. And I probably could blend this right here to here if I wanted, but I'm just gonna cut that. That's a whole different story for next time. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this piece here, measure what I need on the straight right there, cut that, maybe look at cleaning up some of this here. But I got a tool coming in the mail. I got one of those surface conditioners coming from Eastwood. I probably should go in and got the Harbor Freight one because they had it in stock, but it's supposed to come in tomorrow. We'll see if that shows up. But that's where we're at right now. Let me get some pieces cut and upload this video.